Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to clear recently file opens in your CorelDraw in order to free up more storage space in your CorelDraw. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. What you need to do is to go ahead and click on File. And after click on File, navigate to here. And this is going to pop up right here. You have all recently filed options right here. This is depends on the number of files you have opened so far in your CorelDraw. So for you to clear all these files, go ahead and click on Clear Menu. Once you click on Clear Menu, it's going to be disappear. By the time you go back to File and then navigate to the recent document right here, there is no recently filed right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CorelDraw software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.